Life is so much better with you in it. I'm so proud of you and for all that you do for it. Isn't it so, my BFF? Exactly. Happy birthday. But birthday comes once in a year, but best friend once in a lifetime. I'm so honored to call you my BFF, and you're always there with me as my support system. Love you a lot. God bless you.
Many, many happy returns of the day. Stay healthy, Swati ma'am.
विश यू मॅनी मॅनी हॅप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे स्वाती आत्या. 50व्या वाढदिवसाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा.
Birthday Swati. Wish you all the best.
मेनी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे 50व्या वर्षाचा हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
Hello Swati ma'am, from where should I start? You are such a beautiful person and a wonderful person from heart. Such a hard-working lady with lots of dedication and lots of goodwill. I wish you all the luck, all the love, all good health for your years to come. I wish you a very, very happy birthday.
प्यारी नटखट और चुलबुली स्वाति वो एमएसयू की साइंस फैकल्टी की सीढ़ियों पे घंटों तक बैठना, डेरी डेन में हमारी बर्थडे मनाना, साथ में मूवी देखना और कितनी यादें मेरे जहन में सिमटी हुई ये अनगिनत यादों की तरह अनगिनत बधाइयाँ तुम्हारे जन्मदिन पर. हैप्पी बर्थडे स्वाति.
From all of us, we hope your birthday is full of joy and excitement. We love you and we are there with you celebrating in true spirit. स्वाती वहिनी, तुम्हाला तुमच्या 50व्या वाढदिवसावर खूप खूप शुभेच्छा.
Wishing you a very happy 50th birthday, Swati Kaku. Yo!
नमस्ते मैडम, आपको आपके 50वीं सालगिरह बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. भगवान से दुआ करते हैं आपकी ज़िंदगी हेल्दी और हैप्पी रहे. ऑल द बेस्ट.
Many, many happy returns of the day, Swati. God bless you. Enjoy your day. Have fun. Love you.
Hi Swati, wish you a very very happy 50th birthday. I'm so very excited for you. I've been knowing you since so many years. Remember the times we met at Vihar Lake when Sarthak was very small. I found you very friendly, loving, and used to gel with all the people around you.
Have a wonderful birthday, my dear. You are a very special person and you deserve all the happiness life can give you. God bless you.
I wish you a very happy 58th birthday, Swati ma'am.
हाय स्वाति, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. लाइफ की हाफ सेंचुरी पूरी कर ली तूने. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन. आगे भी तेरी लाइफ बहुत अच्छे से बीते, ये मेरी शुभकामनाएं तेरे को. बाय.
Hi Swati ma'am, wish you a many many happy returns of the day. A day filled with joy and happiness. And I wish to have a fantastic and prosperous year. Bye bye. Enjoy your day.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है ये आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू डियर सोनू.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Swati ma'am. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Swati.
Hello, good morning Swati ma'am. Many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your day. Party due आहे. Thank you.
सौ स्वाती मुळे, अक्षय देवधरकडून तुला 50व्या वाढदिवसाबद्दल अनेक अनेक अभिनंदन, अनेक अनेक शुभेच्छा. नुसत्या अक्षय देवधरकडनं नाही, अक्षय देवधरच्या परिवाराकडनं आणि संपूर्ण देवधर परिवाराकडून पण तुला 50व्या वर्षाच्या अनेक अनेक हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. तू स्वस्थ राहा, तंदुरुस्त राहा, आयुष्यभर स्वस्थ राहा, तंदुरुस्त राहा. तसंच प्रभूचरणी प्रार्थना करतो की तुझं संपूर्ण परिवार पण स्वस्थ तंदुरुस्त राहो. गुरुदेव दत्त.
Swati, happy birthday to you. May God bless you and fulfill all your sincere wishes. Stay blessed always.
Hello Swati. Happy birthday. Very, very happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Enjoy the day. Share your pictures with us. Huh? Surprise for you from Sathak. Huh? Nice. Now plan someday to come to Pune. Okay? So bye. Enjoy. Enjoy. Have fun. Bye bye.
Dear Swati, happy birthday to you. When you were small, Mama used to call you Nanu. Baba used to call you Madhav Singh Gad, Sher Khan, Dhampu, so many names. Now you have completed your half century. So you are no more Nanu, no more Dhampu. You are my parents' precious gift. I love you so much. I love you, Swati.
हेलो स्वाति मैम, अ बिग हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. यही दुआ करती हूँ सदा मैं, आपकी ज़िंदगी में कोई गम ना हो. जन्मदिन पर मिले हज़ारों खुशियाँ, चाहे उनमें हम शामिल ही ना हो. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू एंड लव यू अ लॉट मैम.
Many, many, many happy returns of the day, ma'am. Stay blessed.
Happy birthday, Swati ma'am. Stay blessed. God bless you.
Birthday, Swati. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day.
Hi, Swati ma'am. Wish you happy 50th birthday, who is 100% awesome. Happy birthday once again, Swati ma'am.
Hi Swati, wish you a very, very happy birthday. All this greenery is for you, my dear. Come and grab whatever you want as your birthday gift. Have a blessed year ahead. Once again, a very, very happy birthday. Very happy birthday, Swati. I know that you love the greenery here, and all this greenery is a birthday gift for you. Any day, barge in and take one gift from me. May God shower lots of blessings on you. Happy birthday once again, Swati.
Hi Swati, happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. And welcome to the 50s. And all that comes with the 50s. It's special, it's different, it's beautiful. Yeah, and an entirely different experience. And very thoughtful of Sarthak to have put things together for you. It's telling of your
Hello Swati Atya. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday.
A very, very happy birthday. A very happy birthday to the superwoman, the most efficient, hardworking, who keeps a cheerful smile all the time. Many, many happy returns of the day, Swati. We love you all, and your smile, first of all, is your biggest asset, which keeps me motivating all the time towards positivity. I must say that. Words are falling short to appreciate you, my dear. You are really working hard. Lots of love, good luck, and wish you all the best. Once again, enjoy your day. Sarthak has done a lot of hard work to make this video, and I think he has approached almost all of your friends, and enjoy the videos with your family, and lots of love. Once again, happy birthday, dear. Enjoy.
Many happy returns of the day. Happy 50th birthday, dear Swati Vaini. We are so grateful for your friendship and all the fun time we have shared over the years. Here is to many more to come. You are such a generous, kind and fabulous person, and we are so lucky to have you as a sister-in-law. Wishing you an extra special 50th birthday and best wishes for the year ahead.
Happy birthday, Swati Vayani. Enjoy your special day from Trupti, Sachin and Ved.
Hi Swati, wish you a very happy birthday dear. I know it's your 50th birthday and it's a very special day for you. You're our friendship begins from a long way back, like around when our children were around in 8th and 9th standard. Then slowly we became teachers, I became your colleague. The bond we share with each other is something out of the world. I just can't express what feelings I have for you. Even though we are far away from each other, but our bond makes us stronger day by day, and like I can share anything or everything with you with ease, and the same appears to you also. So I wish you a very happy 50th birthday, and I wish our friendship blossoms year by year. Have a good day.
हाय स्वाति, हैप्पी बर्थडे। कैसी हो? आपका हर दिन खुशियों से भरे, आप उत्तरोत्तर जीवन में खूप प्रगती करो। थँक यू।
स्वाती, विशिंग यू अ व्हेरी हॅपी बर्थडे। और तू अशीच खूप खूप मजेत आनंदात राहा, आपली मैत्री अशीच फुलत राहो। खूप 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 शुभेच्छा।
विश यू मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे स्वाति मैम। मुझे याद है फर्स्ट ईयर जब मैं इस कॉलोनी में आई थी, तो इट वॉज यू एंड योर फैमिली विच वॉज लाइक माई ओन फैमिली। आप लोगों ने जितने अच्छे से मुझे ट्रीट किया एंड यू ट्रीटेड मी लाइक माई ओन मदर, सो आई वोंट ever forget those days, those precious days. So thank you so much for treating me as your own kid and taking my care. And वो आप आज भी लेते हो, तो आप वैसे ही क्यूट, केयरिंग, हैप्पी एंड हेल्दी लाइफ लॉन्ग रहिए। हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन।
Wish you many many happy returns of the day, dear Adya. God bless you. Keep smiling.
Many happy returns of the day, Bhabhi.